Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to start fresh with YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is when you're on the screen, you want to go to the top left on the three dots and then click on settings and privacy. And then you see the button make a fresh start. So you want to click on that. And what does it mean? So starting fresh will let you start budgeting from today without having to set up a brand new budget. A copy of this budget will be archived in case you're not happy with the changes. So all of your accounts, linked accounts will remain linked in Fresh Start. Today's balance for a linked account, unlinked account will start with zero balance for you to update with today's balance. Today's transactions, linked account, scheduled transactions, your category groups, categories and targets. And your archived budget will retain transaction history account and category amount. So you want to click on continue. Let's give it a new name. So let's just Fresh Start V2. And then you can allow to stop reporting transactions in main head budget. So just leave it on. Click on make a fresh start. Then just give it a few moments. And as you can see, we have a fresh start. If I go to accounts, there's no money. Sure, there are your old, like not even your transactions are here. Like everything is clear. Like all the, if you had like money here, it's not going to be here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you start fresh. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.